Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 104. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Competent. Combat. Common. Compensate. Compound. Compact. Compare. Conductor. Conflict. Constant. Convulsion. Conserve. Conscientious. Contango. Commissioners. Incomplete. Recognized. Uncongenial. Reconsider. Incumbent. We were compelled. Accompanying. Accomplices. Introducing. Introduces. Magnificent. Magnifier. Magnificence. Transmission. Translated. Transmitter. Self-possession. Self-congratulation. Instructor. Inherent. Inhumanly. Insuperable. Illiberal. Immaterial. Innocuous. Unknown. Reparable. Irreparable. Reclaimable. Irreclaimable. Understood. Undersell. Trademark. Stop. Thank you.